Alright, let's move on. Second team. Team 2 mula sa NAMSA Philippine Motocross. Say hello to Sir Reggie, June, and Kenneth. NAMSA team. Carlen Omar silang team, Mount Trail Rider. Riders right. Riders go. Sama kami sa panahon mo ito. Kamadali. May extra 30 seconds pa po. Let's go. Ay, nako, naalala ko yung mga riding days ko. Oo, ako rin. Binibenta ko palang bike ko. Ako yung riding. Naalala ko talaga. Yes. Okay, teams, good luck. Happy sa mga kamay natin ganito. Let's play. Ito ang gusto ko. First quiz natin ay isang audio quiz. Category is favorite driving song. Hit it. Celjay.
Highway to Hell
is correct. Bago mag-Muay Thai or MMA. Kala ko, habang nag-moto ko, isa pa to. Pag napakagawa ko na to, from ACDC, isang Australian rock band. 1 point for Celjay team. The next quiz natin ay isang phrase quiz. Category natin is favorite road eatery food. Hit it! That is correct. Okay, next quiz natin. Attention ay isang video quiz. Category is favorite TV series. Hit it. Enduro. Chips. Chips is correct. Next one. Classic. Larry Botox, 1977 to 1983. Ang Chips, California Highway Patrol. Okay, next quiz. Tingnan natin ang bilis ni lahat. Scramble quiz. Nako, dapat alam nyo ito lahat. Category is favorite safety reminder. Hit it! Oh yes, ang helmet ay para sa ulo, hindi sa siko. You're correct! Okay, next quiz natin ay isang audio quiz. Nako, category natin is favorite Looney Tunes character. Hit it! Celjay.
Roadrunner.
Roadrunner is correct! Napalating inahabol, Willie Coyote. Yan. Okay, Celjay, you have 2 points. You are moving on! Alright, next quiz ay isang picture quiz. Category is favorite female action figure. Hit it. NAMSA. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman is correct. Easy lang, NAMSA. Masyado kayo excited. Gusto ko yung makita ng harap-harapan. Gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, you have 2 points. You are moving on. is wrong. Kaya lahat, pakilinaw ang inyong mga sagot. Taas natin ang mga kamay ng team. Deal. Now trail.
Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Lahat ng gusto ko ay susundin niyo.
Correct! Yan. Tama sa parang palinaw para ninyo. Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Lahat ang gusto ko ay susundin nyo. Ang susunod doon, ang magkamali ay pipingutin ko. Okay. Next quiz natin ay isang phrase quiz. Category natin is favorite Pinoy pocketbook. Hit it! Oh yes, Precious Hearts Romances. Correct! And next you are moving on! Okay, baba na kayo guys! Kuya Luis, kompleto na ang tatlong teams na makakasama natin for the next round. Kaya naman Phil Enduro, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you, Slay. Would you like to invite anyone sa inyong mga events?
We'd like to just inform everyone that there's a Thailand Enduro Championships this Saturday and Sunday, November 13 and 14 at Sapur Province, and the Philippine Enduro team will be competing against the international community. Yeah, NAMSA.
Good luck on that. Okay, Mountain Rider, anything?
Well, every Sunday we go trail riding sa Mount Maarat, Antipolo. You can go right there. It's free.
Even if you don't know how to ride a bike, you can ride there. Kahit makitakbo ka lang. Thank you very much sa inyo. And please, do not forget, ride safe sa inyo lahat. Pero ang tanong, sino makakasama natin sa finish line? Susunod na yan dito sa Panaw